Hello friends, today we shall be discussing about various types of human activities. Human activities can be classified into two categories. Number 1, economic activities, and number 2, non-economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken by people with the objective of earning money. For example, a teacher teaching in a school, a manager working in an office, etc. Non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken by an individual with a motive of getting psychological satisfaction and not for earning money. For example, going to temple, charity, social services, etc. All these are non-economic activities. Now let us subclassify economic activities. Economic activities are of three types. Number 1, business. Number 2, profession. And number 3, employment. Now let us discuss the meaning of business. Business may be defined as an economic activity which involves the production and sale of goods and services, which is undertaken with the motive of earning profit by satisfying human needs in society. Now, second type of economic activity is profession. It includes those economic activities which require application of special knowledge and skills in the occupation. In every profession, guidelines or code of conduct laid down by professional bodies have to be followed. Those people who are engaged in professions are known as professionals, like doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants. The third type of economic activity is employment, which refers to the occupation in which people work for others and get remunerated in return. They get either the wages or salaries. Those people who are employed by others are known as employees. For example, people who work in factories receive wages, bank employees get salaries, etc. Now, at the end, the types of non-economic activities. These can be either religious or social or parental or patriotic also. All these types are of non-economic activities. So these were the different types of human activities. Thank you everybody.